Hi everyone, Ricky here from Tech Talk. Thanks for joining me. Today we're having a look at the iPhone SE, and today we're going to have a look at sound. So sound on this is very much the same as what we had on the 5S and the 5C as well. But I just want to bring you a comparison today so you can have a listen to some tracks and watch a movie trailer. So I'm recording this in 4K, so if you do have a 4K display viewing this back, let me know how it looks like. I've got 4K television downstairs, and that's how I check out my videos to make sure they're running okay. Looking into getting a new 4K monitor. More about that in my setup video coming very soon. So for this, I'm just going to jump into the iTunes store here, and we're going to jump into Now 93. Can't believe we're on that already. When I was younger, it was like only Now 40, 45. So first one at the top, very popular song is 7 Years.
I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me. Cause only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. Before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I was 20. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know.
So it sounds really good there. That was on full volume. So your speaker grill is down here at the bottom with your 3.5 jack still. So we still have one on this device. So the iPhone rumors for the iPhone 7 is saying that this is going to disappear, and this will be our headphone jack now. So headphones with a lightning port, which will work. Yes, that's great. But someone like myself, I use a lab mic where it plugs in through the 3.5 jack here to actually bring the audio for my video. So maybe not good for me, but maybe there might be a different version for the lightning connection here. This actually looks really nice in gold there. Apple have done a really nice job with this. So on the side you saw the two volume rockers and your vibrate switch as well. Go into a movie. So the movie I want to bring you is Star Wars. So turn the brightness up a little bit.
Who are you? I'm no one. I was raised to do one thing, but I've got nothing to fight for. Nothing will stand in our way. I will finish what you started. There are stories about what happened. It's true. All of it. The dark side. The Jedi. They're real. The Force. It's calling to you.
So that was Star Wars there, The Force Awakens. If you haven't seen it yet, go and check it out. It is available for digital download, either on the iTunes Store, Google Play Store, or Windows, and is also available on Blu-ray and DVD now. So that was a great film to go and see. But I thought it was a great trailer to bring there. Some nice deep blacks and deep colours on this one. So let me know what you think down below of this. It has nice deep sounds and very rich tones to the music, and it can go ever so loud, I think, which is great. Compared to my iPhone 6s, I feel like it's a little bit different in sound, maybe because it's a little bit thicker. But my iPhone 6s doesn't seem to be as powerful, so I need to look into that. But this was a quick video showing the sound test on the iPhone SE. Thanks always for watching. Please give a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.